We wanted to create a bandsaw for the small shop and home use. We use cast guide blocks with roller bearings to guide the blade to ensure accurate cuts. We added features like a positive work stop and a variable speed pulley system. The easy-to-use mechanical downfeed system helps you regulate how much pressure is applied to the cut. The machine uses a carbon or bimetal half-inch bandsaw blade. This is a very versatile machine. You can cut just about anything from a 2x4 to conduit to fence posts to tubing. The Trajan 128 is a rugged and economical machine. This and a variety of other Trajan machines are always in stock at Metal Sawing Technology.